Hello everyone, let us start our session on Python pandas. In this session, we will study about how to merge two data frames, or you can say combining two data frames. So let us start first by creating a data frame. Import pandas as a pd. Left is equal to pd dot data frame id. Values of id is a list 1, 2. Another element name of the students, Anil, Vishal. Their subject IDs, subject 1 and subject 2. Similarly, let us create one more data frame. Write IDs same of two students, Samar and Sahil. Their subject IDs, subject 2 and 4. For merging or combining two data frames, use one of the function merge, in which you have to pass the two data frames which you want to combine, left, right, and also provide on which column you want to add these two data frames. Suppose you want to add these two data frames on ID. When you run this code, these two data frames will be combined on their IDs. Same ID. See here, the two data frames has been combined on their equal IDs. ID is 1 and 2. You can also check it by first saying the data frame 1 . What is the output of data frame left? The data frame named left will give you this type of data: ID, name, subject ID, two rows having indexes 0 and 1, values 1 Anil, subject 1, 2 Vishal and subject 2. Similarly, a data frame right. See here, right data frame is look like is a like this one. Is look like this one. Now these two data frames, left and right, after combining will give you the result like this. Combined on same ID, that's why it is returning only two rows having index value 0 and 1. At ID 1, the Anil and Summer, these two rows of different data frames will be combined. Similarly, on the same ID 2, the rows of Vishal and Sahil will be combined. Similarly, you can also combine these two data frames on subject ID, on their subject ID. So let us do this also. In which you are combining the data frames on their subject ID. Instead of ID, subject ID. Combining the data frame on subject ID. Now see, first the left data frame is having subject IDs 1 and 2. Another data frame having subject ID 2 and 4. See here, the subject ID 1 is not present in the second data frame, and 2 subject ID 4 is not present in second in the first data frame. So you have to also pass one of the parameter how you want to combine. There are four options. You can combine this type of data on the basis of left, right, outer or inner. See what will happen if you combine it on left. Run the code and see, when you combine this on to the left hand side, then left, according to the left data frame, the right data frame will be combined. See here, left hand side data frame is having a row 1 Anil sub. So this will give you 1 Anil sub, and since subject ID 1 is not present in the second row, this will return you ID 0, ID y, name y as an null value. Second row of left data frame is 2 Vishal sub 2. That's why it is returning 2 Vishal sub 2, and sub 2 will be combined to the first row of right data frame 1 Sama sub 2. 1 Sama sub 2. In the same way, if you combine it onto the right, then right data frame will be considered. Let us change it from left to right. Then what will happen? In this one, you have to see the right side, right data frame, not the left data frame. See, the first row of right data frame is 1 Sama sub 2, 1 Sama sub 2. That will be combined to the data frame of left. Sub 2 is Vishal 2. That's why it is returning 2 Vishal. Now, the right in a right data frame there is sub 4. Sub 4 to Sahil. Now this will be combined to the left data frame, but in this left data frame there is no sub 4. That's why it is returning NaN value null values. Similarly, you can use outer inner joins also. Data frame is, the two data frames are same, just change it to inner. Run this code and see, when you write inner, then the two data frames will be combined having same subject IDs. Since the subject ID in the two data frames is same, is only for sub 2, that's why only this row 2 Vishal sub 2, 1 Samar sub 2 has been added, and sub 1 and sub 4. These two rows will not be considered in your result. That's why it is returning only a single row with sub 2 as a subject ID. Now what will happen if you combine it on outer? When you combine it on outer, then it will consider all the subject IDs outer, then it will give the result on the basis of sub 2, sub 1 and sub 4. Run this code and see. Here according to the subject ID sub 1 X data frame, there is a there is only a row present in a left data frame, but not any type of row is present in right data frame. That is why it is returning null values. Sub 2 is present in both the left and right data frames. That's why it is returning the combined value. Sub 4 in sub 4, you have seen earlier there is a sub 4 row in right data frame but not present in left data frame. That's why it is returning null values for left hand side, and right hand side is returning 2.0 Sahil. In this way you can merge your data frames. Now you can also concatenate or combine data frames who are having similar columns, same columns. So let us create a data frame pd dot data frame having list of lists. First list is 1, 2, or you can take a first element A and 1, then another list B, comma 2. Now there is a list having two lists inside it. Columns, give the name of columns. First one is a letter and the second one is a number. Create another data frame having same columns, letter and number. Just change the values C3, D4. Honors as PD. Now first let us see what is data frame 1 and data frame 2. Data frame 1 is a letter, number and two rows with index value 0, 1, A1, B2. Now see what is the DF2. DF2 is also a data frame having same columns, letter, number 0, 1, C3, D4. Now what will happen if you combine these two data frames? There is a function concatenate function in which you have to pass these two data frames as a list, df1 and df2. Then this will combine the two data frames. See here, two data frames has been combined on same columns, letter, number, and this will give you the first two rows of first data frame and second two rows of second data frame. In this way you can also use concat function for combining the data frames. Thank you.